channel, 10 interesting facts to know. Christmas is just around the corner and you might have already started with your Christmas decorations. This year I thought I'd add some DIY items to my Christmas decor and I thought I'd share those with you all. So in this video I'll show you 10 super easy yet beautiful Christmas decorations that you can DIY just spending a few minutes in each. So let's get started! First on the list is Christmas card tree. We all exchange loads of Christmas cards in this festive season, and if you're like me, collecting them all, you can find a pretty way to show off these season's greetings. I use this wall space in my reading corner to create a Christmas tree out of these cards. It just brightens up the whole room. It's super simple and so adorable. I liked it so much that I put up one in our kitchen too. You can complete the look with some Christmas presents underneath. Next is bauble lantern. Christmas decor wouldn't be the same without baubles. They always transform our Christmas tree. But today, let's put them to a different use. Take a lantern, put a string light in and add some baubles matching your Christmas decor. I'm using red and gold baubles here. Turn on the light and be wowed by this instant festive decor. You will surely love this. And don't worry, if you didn't have a lantern, they'll look equally stunning in a tall glass vase. Next is Christmas tree. You might already have put up your Christmas tree, but there's always room for a little tree as cute as this one. You can put it on your desk or a mantelpiece. Trust me, this is so easy to make. Take a sheet of thick paper, make a cone shape out of it and secure it. Cut the excess paper so it can stand on its base. Next, take the yarn and secure it on top with some tape. Apply some glue on the cone as you go along and wrap the yarn around it. Decorate it with buttons, beads or pom-poms. I use 2 coloured beads with a golden pom-pom to go at the top. Next is Santa. I haven't forgotten about Santa. Christmas decorations can't be complete without Santa. To make one, take a bottle and wrap it up with red yarn. Now we need to get the cuttings ready for Santa's face. So, face, eyes, moustache, beard, and of course a hat. Stick them on and here goes our Santa! Ho, ho, ho! Do you like the golden glitter buckle on Santa's belt? This Santa will go really well with our yarn Christmas tree we just made. Next is Snowman. Snowmans are one of the cutest Christmas decors. Follow me and you have one with you in minutes. This is a piece of foam from some packaging. You can also use a piece of cardboard. Draw 2 overlapping circles, one bigger than the other, and cut them out around the boundary. If you're using cardboard, cover it with white paper. Make a snowman hat out of thick black paper. Red stripe goes on the hat, and I've added the golden stripes here in the red with the gel pen. And here goes the nose, eyes, red ribbon for a scarf, and 3 buttons of your choice. Glue them all together for this cute little snowman. I put this on the window here, along with the snowman window stickers I had. Next, let's do some decor with candles. Candles make everything look so magical and relaxing. They create a cozy and festive atmosphere. A clear glass with a candle in it and some pine cones is all you need to create this piece. And if you want to be a bit creative, you can decorate your glass like I've done with this one with some washi tape. This is so simple and easy, yet beautiful decor you can create in minutes. Next is Wreath. There's a quick and easy way to make a shiny wreath for your door. Take a metal hanger and bend it into a circle. A little help please. Did I say it was an easy way to make a wreath? Don't worry, it's easy after you can bend this hanger into a rough circle. Wrap a tinsel around the hanger. I chose a golden tinsel here. It's turning out really nice. Add some baubles of your choice. Ta-da! Here it is, a beautiful shiny wreath. This one is definitely going on my room's door. Next is elf shoes. Elf shoes look great as Christmas decorations. And you just need some felt to create these cute decor items. Trace the shoe pattern you like on a piece of felt. I have this green felt for the shoe and a cream one for the fringe on top, and a small cream circle to go on the tip of the shoe. Cut them out and glue them together. I've also added this silver ribbon on the fringe. They're so cute. I made 2 more of these in red and brown. Lovely, aren't they? Next on our list is Christmas signs. They can really take our holiday decor to the next level. I designed 2 of these on my computer, the Merry Christmas sign and the Joy letters. We're going to print them, cut them out and put them in frames. And there they go. Amazing! If you like painting, you can even paint a sign of your choice and frame it. Next is Christmas headband. I think you'll agree with me, putting on a Christmas hat or a headband really gets you in the festive mood. I already have a Christmas hat, so I decided to make a cute headband as an alternative. Let me show you how. Take a gold glitter sheet and trace the reindeer antlers on like this. So we have both the front and back part of the antler. And we'll cut out a pair of holly leaves from a green felt sheet. Stick the gold antlers around the headband and holly on top, and 2 red beads to go along with it. And here you have a sparkly Christmas headband ready. So guys, I really enjoyed making these Christmas decorations and video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please give it a thumbs up if you like these decorations. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and enjoy the festive season. I'll see you soon with another very interesting video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on it. Till then, take care. Bye.